There she is, Motha. Is that lady out of here now? Can I talk to you now about selling your property?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I found something in this book. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And you want to sell that property, don't you?
Oh,
Huh?
yeah.
Yes, you want to sell that property.
That's
Okay.
it's for sale.
There's one thing on here that I found that this book will even help sell a piece of property. Okay? I'm going to read something. It's called Mental Movie Method. It has to do with your mind picturing something happening. Okay? Think of your property here. One area in which the mental movie method seems especially useful is in selling property. If you have a home or property for sale, I suggest that you first satisfy yourself in your own mind that your price is right and fair to both you and the eventual buyer. You have to make sure that you think the buyer is going to be okay with the price. Okay? After having done this, quiet your mind, relax, let go, and get into a drowsy, sleepy state that reduces all mental effort to a minimum. Now picture the check in your hands. This is the mental movie method. Now picture the check in your hands. Rejoice in the check. Give thanks for the check and go off to sleep feeling the naturalness of the whole mental movie created in your mind. You must act as if this is already an objective reality. When you do, the subconscious mind will take it as an impression. Then the infinite intelligence will draw to you the buyer who really wants to have the property and who will love it and prosper in it. Through the deeper currents of the mind, the buyer and the seller are brought together. A mental picture held in the mind, backed by faith, will come to pass. Now, do you think you can try to do that right before you go to bed, when you're sleepy, in the sleepy, drowsy state as you're in bed? I want you to picture that somebody is already coming and somebody is going to buy your property. You're getting the check from your realtor and the realtor is saying, "Hey Barb, we sold your property."
Whoa.
Huh? If you try to do that, you're convincing your mind that it's already happened, and your subconscious mind is going to make that happen. Do you think you can do that each night?
Each night?
Each night!
Not each night. I can do it one night, maybe.
One night? Maybe this is why you haven't sold the property yet.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Well, it could be. You have to try it. What's it going to hurt if you just try it? You have to convince yourself that the buyer is coming to you already. He is going to purchase that property. That property is priced right for the buyer. Remember you were saying, oh, maybe you haven't sold the property yet because it's going to cost somebody too much to put the electricity in, put the sewer in, do the water, do all this other stuff. You're convincing yourself that it's probably priced too high or it's priced out of the market for somebody. You have to change your mind. Okay? It's not going to hurt anything to try. It's not going to take anything away. You just got to be positive about it. Do you think you can try to do that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So,
I think I can.
So I'm going to help you write out what you're going to do each night. Okay?
Okay.
And we're going to be positive about this. And we're going to sell that property, right?
Right.
High five. Here. Okay. You have to be positive about it. Think positive.
Positive.
Okay?
Positive.
Positive.
Yes. It's going to sell.
There you go. Thanks for listening.
Okay. We're going to sell this property.
Wait,
Michael's.
what? What are you going to do?
Yes, Joe, we're going to sell this property.
That's right. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Thank you, Motha. We are going to sell this property, correct?
We are going to sell this property.
Yes.